The Accelerator workshop is one of the main components of sustainable EDU framework policy architecture, and the methodology is one of the most important aspects of this workshop. The methodology we choose is a very interactive one and is divided in 3 components. The main objective of the workshop is to prepare anybody, any team, to draft a proposal of an ICT education initiative. The methodology we choose is a very executive approach and very interactive. First, people start by presenting a topic, a document, or a case study, or a framework, whatever we choose, or a team, financial, planning, structure, whatever. And this first presentation will be done by one of the participants, mainly a team leader or somebody with responsibility in the future program or in any department. The second part will be the group discussion. People will be organized in different groups, and based on these different groups, everybody chooses one of the subtopics of the main topic presented by the participant, and they have to arrive to some conclusions, to some topics for discussion. These conclusions will be presented in the third part to all participants, and then we are in condition to have a discussion on all the different topics of the program of the workshop. And this will be, and the people will be able to draft a proposal or pre-draft a proposal and arrive to one plan for one ICT education initiative. This is the work group to arrive to the solution or to a plan or to a proposal which will help the future work of any group.